Let's do a garden tour. As always, let's start with my peppers and basil. My peppers are getting bigger and bushier. Some of them are actually putting out blooms already. And my basil is getting bigger. I'm harvesting, I guess, some of it so that it can keep bushing out and keep growing. Like if you remember, I harvested my basil because it was starting to flower, and look at how bushy it is now. I am not kidding when I say that basil turns into a weed for me. It'll grow so tall, so much, so like vigorous. And if you can see, my purple's starting to flower too, so I'll come and harvest this. Oh, and I have this jalapeno flowering and producing already, so that's exciting. And then my Chinese 5 are very tall, putting out little blooms. You can see. I'm really excited that these are growing well, both of them. This one's not as big, but. And then we have lettuce, my carrots. I am so ashamed that I haven't put my blackberry bush in its new pot yet, so don't look at that. My violas are doing well. I'm harvesting as much as I can, trying to use them as much as I can, because I really just don't want to waste them. They are pretty to look at, but as fast as they are producing, I'm harvesting them to like dry, to put on foods, things like that. And then as for my black-eyed Susans, the bottoms are still pretty crunchy. We have a lot of blooms though, well, like soon to be blooms, and then we have this one going strong. It's very pretty. And then we have this one almost blooming. My dahlias, my cosmos, they're so tall. This is probably the closest that we have to a flower, to a cosmo. And then my chamomile back there, my one chamomile plant, my zinnias. I had a lot more, but I harvested a bunch the other day, so these are what we have. My zucchini, I actually have 2 zucchinis, but I had no male flowers when those were flowering, so I don't know if they're gonna grow. And then my 2 cucumber plants, this one is producing a little tendril. Oh my gosh, you can't even see what I'm pointing at. This one is producing a little tendril already, and it'll grab on. Like you can see, this is from last year, from the cucumbers. That'll eventually grab on, and then it'll keep climbing. I don't think this one has tendrils yet. This one does. I'm just gonna let these things grow to see what they are. I'm pretty sure it's peppers. I don't know what, but I'm sure it's peppers.